Is your oven not maintaining a proper temperature? Maybe it's overcooking or undercooking some items? Well, I'm Dustin, the Parts Doctor, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to test and replace this oven temperature sensor. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The oven temperature sensor measures the internal temperature of your oven. Most modern sensors are RTDs, or resistant temperature detectors. Inside the metal sensor probe is a thermistor, a type of resistor that changes resistance as the temperature changes. The oven's control board sends a small electrical current through the sensor and measures the resistance to calculate the oven's actual temperature. It then uses this information to control the power to the bake and broil elements based on the temperature that you set. If the sensor begins to fail, you may see an error code on the display, experience inaccurate heating that leads to undercooked or overcooked food, or find that the oven doesn't reach the set temperature. Temperature sensors can degrade over time, become damaged by moisture during baking, short out electrically, or fail due to physical impact. Tools needed for this repair: a T15 and T20 torque screwdrivers or bits, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a multimeter if you want to test your sensor. This video features testing and replacing electrical components, so please disconnect your appliance from its power source before beginning. If you need to purchase a replacement oven temperature sensor for your Frigidaire range, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. After disconnecting your range from power by either turning off the breaker or unplugging the appliance, pull the range out to be able to access the back panel. On this model, there are 3 different fasteners holding the back panel on. There are 2 different size screws that use a T15 and T20 size Torx bits and 6 screws that have a 1/4-inch hex head. The 3 along the top are short black screws, and starting down the sides there are 4 longer black screws attaching the top of the back panel to the appliance. Along the sides of the bottom half of the panel are 6 1/4-inch silver fasteners. You may want to snap a photo with your device for reference of where each style fastener is mounted before removing them. Remove all the fasteners but leave the top middle screw for last. Once the fastener is removed, carefully move the back panel away from the appliance. Set the back panel aside. Please use caution because the back panel can have sharp edges. The oven temperature sensor is mounted to the back wall of the oven between the 2 connections for the broiler element. Before you remove the sensor, you can test it with a multimeter. To do this, first disconnect the plastic connector that attaches the sensor to the control board. Depress the tab and gently pull the connector apart. With the sensor disconnected from the oven, you can test the temperature sensor's resistance by using a multimeter on the ohms setting. Place the multimeter probes on the leads on the inside of the sensor's connector. On this model, at room temperature, the sensor should measure approximately 540 ohms. Please note, this is different from most oven temperature sensors, which typically measure around 1080 ohms at room temperature. If your sensor's resistance reading is significantly higher or lower than 540 ohms, the sensor is most likely bad and should be replaced. Please keep in mind that even if the sensor measures correctly at room temperature, the internal thermistor could still fail at higher temperatures. For more information on how temperature sensors work and how to test at different temperatures, please watch our temperature sensor testing video. To remove the sensor, trace the wires into the back of the oven wall and move the insulation away to expose the single T20 Torx mounting screw. Remove the screw and pull the sensor from the oven cabinet. If you need to purchase a new oven temperature sensor, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you get the correct part. To install the oven temperature sensor, slide the sensor through the back wall of the oven with the mounting hole facing towards the top of the appliance. Screw in the T20 fastener. Feed the connector through the insulation and tuck the insulation back into place. Reconnect the sensor and assure that the connection snaps into place and the connection is secure. To reattach the back panel, align the holes in the top corners with the black screws in the back of the oven's control panel. Starting in the center of the top of the back panel, insert a black T15 screw into the mounting hole to hold the panel in place. Insert the 2 other T15 screws into the corner of the back of the oven's control panel. Be careful not to over-tighten any of the fasteners. Moving down the sides of the appliance, insert the longer black T20 large threaded screws in. There will be 2 on each side. Finish by screwing in the 1/4-inch silver screws down the side. There are 3 in each side, or 6 in total. Slide the appliance back into place and reconnect the power. Your range is now ready to use. That'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.